Oh no, that's the, yeah. Oh my goodness. Anthony. Anthony, come on, Papa. I didn't know that they probably put them here, right? Because this is not an opening. Yeah, because this is not an opening. Unless they come through there. He thinks you got fish in there. Alright, Anthony. Yeah. Look at Anthony the alligator. He's probably scared now. Anthony, look at the alligator.
Hello? Oh, yeah, there you go. Can you see it?
Lunch. Oh my gosh. Baby. Run! You're gonna scare it. Right there. And they fast, so be careful. Don't get too close. Because they'll run real fast and they snack them. Just one of these small little ones. I was watching the thing and one got hit bite by one of them, right? He got 10 on the pictures. By just a small one. No, I was watching a video. Look, it's going, look. Got him recording. So if this one, it's got to be more than that. It probably comes from that little tiny thing over there. Our first little alligator. They were coming when he was going like that with a stick on the water, and it came close by. But I could do that to try to bring it over here. Yeah, I know. But if I go like this, no, I ain't gonna come. No, it just likes the water. That Now wait to come back. See, it's coming back, right? He's trying to turn. I don't see anymore. You see? He's just right in the middle of the thing. But I got a good video. There's only one. I don't see no other. I'm walking all the way down there for my walk. I had to run all the way around here because your back caused me. An alligator, an alligator. I said, where? But I came just in time because he was over here. He was going, the guy with the picture was going like this, and he wanted to eat his fish. So, they probably come from those little sewer. See that sewer? They come from in there. That, yeah.
He's gonna get out in the water.
Yeah, I want to see where it goes. Yeah. He's going all the way, you know those trees all the way down there, the bad one? I mean the ones that are dead? He's probably gonna hide in there. It did, I have it in video. Yeah, it was right over here. He's going over there by the, he's going over there. Our first alligator over here. Yeah, this is our first alligator. All the way down